Hi there, I'm Sean Wilmot, and today we're taking a look at what is arguably the best-selling PHEV on the market today. This is the all-new generation Mitsubishi Outlander, and it's packed full of new technology, new improved safety features, and extra fuel economy. Now, there are a lot of PHEVs on the market today, and happily I've driven most of them. In fact, it's fair to say I've driven all of them. And this one is arguably the best I have driven yet. It's technologically advanced, it's full of new safety features, there's modifications that have been made to the electric motors to make it even more fuel efficient than ever before. And when we're talking about fuel efficiency and our less dependence on fossil fuels, the PHEV is definitely my recommendation. Let's take a closer look at this one. From the outside, you've got that modern classic Mitsubishi look, but it's been peaked and tweaked for the VRX grade PHEV. As a top-of-the-line model, you have LED adaptive headlights, body-painted bumpers, and down the side, the sophisticated black-painted B and C pillars, which are offset by 20-inch machined two-tone alloy wheels. This vehicle now does 87 kilometres on pure electric charge, which is pretty damn good, considering that most PHEVs hover around that 55 to 60 odd kilometre range. Added to which, we're still running the tried and true 2.4 litre petrol engine under the bonnet, which is great. It gives us a little bit of an increase. We're now running at 98 kilowatts and around about 195 newton metres of torque. This is, of course, all supplemented by the two electric motors, which have their own power and torque output figures. Technically, you've got a four-wheel drive, and now you've got a four-wheel drive seven-seater SUV, whereas the previous model was only a five. One thing that hasn't changed about the new generation PHEV Outlander is its safety rating. Still a 5-star ANCAP safety rated vehicle. So with that in mind, let's take this family SUV and scoot it up to Omaha and see what it can do up there.
Say hey to the world, babe. Say yes to the world, babe. You'll get what you want tomorrow.
This is going to sound a little bit strange, but one of the best things about plug-in hybrid vehicles or electric vehicles in general is how well they corner and how well they handle, and that's largely to do with the fact that you've got all this extra weight of a battery pack and two electric motors. Now, conventionally, you'd be sitting there going, well, more weight increases fuel consumption. Well, yes, it does, but it also gives you a huge benefit when it comes to flat cornering, which is what you really want in a family-friendly SUV. Being a modern PHEV, the Outlander is equipped with a Drive Select mode. In this particular model, we have a new function for power, which increases acceleration rate, which is ideal for a PHEV. They often struggle for things like rapid acceleration. From there, we've got Eco Driving for environmentally friendly, Normal mode for general driving around in the city, Tarmac for open highway work, and then we start getting into the heavy stuff, the snow, the gravel, and the mud. We're in gravel right now, so I'm going to reset to that mode, and we're going to show you exactly what you can do on a little bit of course chip. Super all-wheel control is absolutely brilliant when it comes to gravel. It was demonstrated in the Paris-Dakar Rally way back when, and it's just got better over time. This brings back Mitsubishi's rallying heritage from the days when it used to travel on gravel roads and rally stages. It's fantastic. So the interior of the new generation Mitsubishi Outlander PHEV is a statement in panache and sophistication. The quilted leather seats, for example, they're both memory seats for the front seat passenger and the driver. They're both heated, the leather is soft, supple, and it feels extraordinarily comfortable. The other added thing that I really like about this SUV is the interior is full of chunky stuff, like chunky steering wheel. It really feels masculine in your hands and control. Gives you a great sense of being grounded and in touch with the vehicle. You also found that in the shifter as well, which is very good adaptability for the CVT. Close to the shifter, we have two little buttons here which are kind of critical, one of which is the EV button. That one basically tells us whether we're using EV, whether we're using the hybrid mode, whether we're charging or saving power. And the one beside it is a new function for Mitsubishi. This is the one-touch pedal control, which basically when you activate it means you can control your acceleration and deceleration just using the accelerator pedal. The PHEV Outlander is a technological masterpiece. It has everything on board, and you can see it all on the new digital driver display screen, which is right in front of me here. Beautiful layout, lovely wealth of information, which is all easily gone through at the flick of a button. You've also got a heads-up display, which is now a much larger screen as well. It actually is represented in a 10.8-inch display in the windscreen. And to finish it all off, there is basically one word. It's Bose. This car is equipped with a 9-speaker Bose audio system, and it is nothing shy of fantastic. And no hands. And for those times when you're actually away camping and you feel like you need those little extra appliances, the coffee maker, the refrigerator, the hairdryer, or what have you, you've got these neat little sockets here, 1500 watt power outlets with a 3-pin prong, and that's absolutely perfect and part of the joy of owning a PHEV plug-in hybrid electric vehicle. So there we have it, the Mitsubishi Outlander, the new generation that, in the words of Daft Punk, is better, stronger, faster, and more technologically advanced. I absolutely love this vehicle, and I love it for so many reasons that it's almost impossible to list them all. It's that good. It really is. Of course, backing it all up, you've got Mitsubishi's 10-year powertrain warranty, and the battery is covered by an 80 or 160,000 K warranty, whichever comes first. The added bonus? You do qualify for a discount with this particular vehicle, $5,750 vehicle rebate. So what are you waiting for? Get down to your nearest Mitsubishi dealer. Put your deposit down right now.